Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Proud to be Indian. Today I will review one of the top most university in India, that is the Marwadi University, which is situated in Gujarat and Rajkot. Okay, so yeah, university basically Rajkot, Gujarat में situated है. So in this video I will give you the complete detail about the Marwadi University. That what is about the Marwadi University? Why should we choose the Marwadi University? What are the placement of these? Okay, what are the fee structure? About the academics. So and what are the course offered? So these type of details I will give in this video. Okay, so make sure to watch the video till the end because you will get important knowledge here. Okay, so don't miss any part. Okay, so first of all guys, if you are new viewer to my channel, then don't forget to support and subscribe the channel because you will get such important college review in this channel. Okay, so make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, so let us move to our video without wasting our time. So as you can see here, I came to the official website of Marwadi University, that is situated in the Gujarat, okay, and Rajkot. So talking a little bit about the Marwadi University. So this university actually was established in 2016 under the Marwadi University means Act, okay, and this have a various accreditation that is UGC approved, okay, NAAC grade A plus affiliation, that is very important for any college. Okay, so NAAC grade A affiliation and 360-degree education means have a good in all respect. Okay, so there is no any regarding the accreditation, so you can 100% believe in it. Okay, I've already said you that it is of in Gujarat means A plus accredited and out of 51 universities, so you can understand that how the important college is this. Okay, moving to the next section, that the question arises, okay, that why I should choose Marwadi University. Okay, so why should I choose this university? Okay, so talking about this means why should you choose, so I will give you a variety of reason for which you will be means very happy to choose this university. Okay, so first of all, it have a world class infrastructure and the rich prestigious of the faculties member. Okay, so faculties member are overall fine and means a wonderful faculties member. Most of them are the PhD degree holder and above that, okay, and some of them from IIT graduates, so you can understand that important faculties member they provided. Besides that, holistic development of students, great placement opportunity, so you will provide a sufficient opportunity so you can placed inside the best college. Okay, besides that, it have a world class campus. This have also have a great placement, have a learning space, advanced labs, so this have a means almost A plus infrastructure, all this. Okay, so you should choose this university. Okay, and also you can see that industry interaction, so we will have a seminar, that is lecture means project, so we will have a industry interaction in continuous. Okay, so आपको लगातार industry interaction होते रहेगा. Okay, have a student club, so 40 plus technical non technical skill club है, समझ सकते हैं how important university this. Okay, beside that, have a recreation means 4-acre sports complex with indoor outdoor sports facility, so we will enjoy indoor and outdoor sports facilities. That okay, you can see here the events available, so there are variety of reason for this. Okay, choosing the Marwadi University. Talking for your kind information little bit, I am giving detail that for applying this university, the application form cost is just 500, so you can apply. Okay, I will provide the link in the description too, where you can check out that. Okay, so let us move to about the next section, that is very important about the course offered, because what are the courses or programs that is available in this university. Okay, so these are the courses that are available, that is the graduation courses, beside that the post graduation courses. Okay, so graduation courses similarly management course, computer application course, commerce course, diploma, law, pharmacy. Okay, beside that for post graduation this also have a engineering. Okay, that have also in graduation with engineering have science, PG, DM LAT, business management, computer science, computer application, LLM, M in English. Okay, beside that you have a doctoral degree also too, means PhD degree. Okay, so these are the courses that is available, so you can understand that all important courses available in this. Okay, so no any doubt, means these are the basically courses. Okay. Now moving to the next section, that is very important, fee structure, because every student have doubt that what is the fee structure, because you know now some student can't afford means high that. Okay, means high fee. Okay, so this have a good means fee structure, so you can certainly choose that. I'm showing the fee structure of this. So these are the fee structure detail of Marwadi University. So for Bachelor of Engineering, you have for that is 4-year degree duration courses, you have to pay 3,92,000. For Bachelor of Business Administration, that is BBA, you have that is 3-year degree course, you have to pay 1,56,000. BA LLB 6,25,000, that is 5-year course. BCA honors 3 year 1,71,000 course. Master of Art, that is 2-year course 80,000. Bachelor of Communication, that is BCom, you have to pay 3 means for the 3 year you have to pay 1,27,500, and Bachelor of Science, that is BSc, that is you have to pay 1,20,000. Okay, so you can understand that बहुत ही good type of means इसका fee है, ना ही ज़्यादा ना ही means average fee means that is good. Okay, so these are the fee structure of this university, that is Marwari University. Now moving to one of the very important, that placement, because the ultimate goal of every student is to get placed in a big company and means good recruiter. Okay, so this university have a good recruiter. Okay, so let us talk something about the placement. So again, placement is outstanding, no doubt. Highest CTC recently got 34.5 lakh. Yeah, you are hearing right, 34.5 lakh. So मैंने जो स्टार्ट में आपको बताया था फैकल्टीज मेंबर ये सब, तो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट या गुड university. Okay, so these are the company or the top recruiters of this university, that is Capgemini, Tata Consultancy Service, that is TCS, EBM, LZ, Byju's, HeadTech. Besides the various recruiters available in this. Okay, let us talk about the some means student testimonial and what they actually placement department do. Okay, so this have a already a good placement department too. Okay, that provide you the complete training regarding the placement, so that there is no any problem regarding a placement. Okay, so placement में आपको कोई दिक्कत ना हो, so they are providing the good detail. You can see here the equipment student to become future ready program have these are the top recruiters that I have already mentioned, मैं बता चुका हूँ. So these are the views of training and assessment, internship. So some of the students also get internship, placement scene of these. Okay, finally they graduate. So these are the placement department that is specially focused on that, and the main focus is to build a global network of top recruiter for on campus interview. So आपको on campus interview में ये कॉलेज बहुत हेल्प करता है. So you will get a good placement. और 34.5 लाख समझ सकते हैं प्लेसमेंट कितना अच्छा जा रहा है कॉलेज का. ओके, हैव अ डेवलप एंड मेंटेन कॉर्पोरेट रिलेशनशिप, ऑर्गेनाइज जॉब फेयर, ट्रेन स्टूडेंट्स, कंडक्ट रिक्रूटमेंट ड्राइव. तो रिक्रूटमेंट ड्राइव भी कंटिन्यूस होते रहता है. ओके, बिसाइड द प्लेसमेंट स्पेसिफिक प्रोग्राम मीन्स ट्रेनिंग एंड प्लेसमेंट होता है, जो कि मॉक पर्सनल इंटरव्यू, मॉक पर्सनल डेमो, असेसमेंट, कंपनी स्पेसिफिक ट्रेनिंग. सो completely devoted to your placement, no any doubt that. Okay, infrastructure I have already mentioned. Good infrastructure means almost all things available, that is library, sub basic facilities means sports facilities, that I have already mentioned. Okay, moving to the next section about the campus life and hostel means what about the campus at this. So life at MU, so life कैसा है भाई मारवाड़ यूनिवर्सिटी का. So you can understand that it is a good life in this मारवाड़ यूनिवर्सिटी. Okay, you will enjoy a complete means during the courses, आप कोर्स में कभी बोरिंग नहीं होगी, एंड यू विल गेट अ fully engaged. Okay, this is the campus. So समझ सकते हैं variety of campus and various international students available there. Okay, so international students भी available है, समझ सकते हैं कितना अच्छा है. Okay, besides this I am giving also means some of that age of your game that have a cricket. So if you are interested in sports, that is cricket, football, that then you will already means you will enjoy this. Okay, समझ सकते हैं कितना important. So variety of sports, not only cricket, हो सकता है बास्केटबॉल, फुटबॉल, कराटे, बैडमिंटन. सो वेराइटी ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स फैसिलिटीज अवेलेबल. सो मीन्स मैं बोलना ये चाह रहा हूँ कि यू विल एंजॉय गुड, और दे आर नॉट जस्ट प्रोवाइडिंग स्पोर्ट्स फैसिलिटी बट ऑल्सो प्रोवाइडिंग कोच एंड दैट आर डूइंग ग्रेट इन ऑल द स्कोप. देख सकते हैं आप वन ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ द मीन्स आई थिंक टैइक्वोंडो के. सो दे आर प्लेस. सो मीन्स आपको एक्सीलेंस ऑल चीज में आपको ओवरऑल मीन्स फैसिलिटी देते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द मीन्स कैंपस लाइफ. टॉक लिटिल बिट अबाउट द लाइब्रेरी. सो लाइब्रेरी तो अच्छा है, मैं पहले बता चुका हूँ. ओके, हैव अ म्यूजिक एंड डांस means other facilities are music and dance, have a cultural diversity. Okay, so departments of specially designed for the means music dance के लिए भी स्पेशल है, तो you will get a good recreation also. So no any doubt regarding that. Okay, these are the instruments also available, the harmonium, तबला, western drum. तो पढ़ाई के साथ ये सब भी जरूरी है भाई, क्योंकि सिर्फ बोरिंग बुक पढ़ना ये सही नहीं है. ओके, besides that other चीज टू. ओके, टॉकिंग समथिंग मोर अबाउट द हॉस्टल लाइफ. थोड़ा हॉस्टल के बारे में जान लेते हैं, बिकॉज सम स्टूडेंट्स आर मे ऑप्ट फॉर द हॉस्टल. सो व्हाट अबाउट दैट. सो दीज आर द दिस इज एक्चुअली व्यू ऑफ हॉस्टल लाइफ. यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड क्लियरली व्हाट द गुड व्यू. ओके, हैव अ हॉस्टल मीन्स choosing 200+ students. These are the some facilities available, that is laundry facility, 24/7 security, hot and cold water, banking facility, ATM facility, transport facility, medical facility, music room. So कितना आपको facility जो ना हो मीन्स वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा. तो have a dance room. So these are the hostel that is available. Besides that, you can also get the library collection of international and national newspaper. That is very very important for your recruitment too, because you know na, in recruitment there are some of the company that ask about the means some of the basic details, and that in that respect, in that context, लाइब्रेरी एंड न्यूज़पेपर वेरी वेरी हेल्पफुल। ओके, तो वो सब भी आपको प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा। हैव अ डांस रूम, सेपरेट जिम्निज्म फॉर गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज, कॉमन रूम विद टीवी एंड केबल फैसिलिटीज, सो टीवी भी मिलेगा आपको। म्यूजिक मैं बात कर चुका हूँ, म्यूजिक रूम। ओके, कैफेटेरिया भी है भाई, ऑल्सो स्पोर्ट्स क्लब, म्यूजिक एंड डांस तो मैं बात करता हूँ। कैफेटेरिया, देयर आर सम अदर फैसिलिटीज अवेलेबल इज टू, सो आपको मीन्स एक क्लास फैसिलिटी मिलेगा। ओके, सो बहुत बात कर ली अब अबाउट द फैसिलिटीज। ओके, कैफेटेरिया की आपको दिखाते हैं, मूव एटमोसफेयर, लैक एंड जोग, समझ सकते हैं, गुड। अबाउट द मीन्स एम्फी थिएटर, ट्रैकिंग, हाईली सिक्योर बैंकिंग फैसिलिटीज दैट आई ऑलरेडी मेंशन। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द मीन्स कोर्स, campus life and extracurricular activity that I have already mentioned. Not talking to the last section, that is very very important, pros and cons. So what is the pros? So pros I have already mentioned, various the good placement, good facilities. So I have already mentioned that 34.5 lakh facility, highest placement, that means good placement, A1 class facilities, gymnasium, sports facilities, beside the cafeteria, amphitheater, that I have already mentioned. So now talking about the cons. So cons के बारे में बताते हैं क्या है। So cons is one that some courses are not much more good, but they are means improving. Okay, and also means location you are all fine, but means you have to means for especially for the southern students, they have to leave the student means their home. Okay, so सब कोई खास है नहीं, but overall that's fine. Okay, means only demerit is that some courses have not means much scope, but yeah, they moving. Okay, they are improving. So finally guys, this is all about the important university in Rajkot, that is Marwadi University. Okay, and Gujarat. So I hope guys your all doubt regarding this college is clear. Okay, and for your kind information, I will provide you the link in the description. From there you can apply too, and if you have any doubt, then you can ask from that expert too. So हमारे means there are various experts available in this. Okay, that will help you, that will guide you. Okay, so you can contact them. I will provide the link. So फिलहाल इस वीडियो में इतना ही था। इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट देन आप वहाँ पर पूछ सकते हैं या कमेंट बॉक्स में आप पूछ सकते हैं। ओके, सो फाइनली इस वीडियो में इतना ही था। आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आया। इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो देन हिट द लाइक बटन एंड मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल फॉर सच इंपॉर्टेंट कॉलेज रिव्यू। टिल देन बाय बाय, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। जय हिंद।